how to promote Temu affiliate links on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Temu affiliate links on TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Temu and TikTok, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Temu, it is a rapidly growing online marketplace that has been taking the e-commerce world by storm. Which Temu's business model is similar to that of other Chinese shopping platforms like Shein, Wish, and AliExpress, but it was managed to gain significant traction and popularity, particularly in the United States and the United Kingdom. And this is largely due to Temu's engaging marketing strategies, which include gamification, social referrals, and high-profile advertising campaigns. Now moving on, after signing in your account on Temu, just go to the footer section and under company info, just click this affiliate and influencer earn commission, in which by simply clicking on it, we will now be able to be directed on this affiliate program. And as you can see here, I have now created my affiliate program as I created my account on Temu. And you will be able to see here your available cash, and it also offer 10 to 30% commission on order placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. So from here, it will show you on the right side panel your referral code and also your referral link that you can simply copy and share directly to your friends and to other users. And to start promoting these affiliate links of Temu to TikTok, the first thing that we need to do is to simply select here a product that you want to choose to promote first. For instance, I'm going to choose the bestsellers right here. By clicking on this button, we'll be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us in here a variety of bestsellers product. And all we need to do from here is to simply choose what kind of product we want to promote, in which we can include our affiliate link. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, which is this high velocity wearable mini fan. By clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us in here other details, including the images, the video of this product, and also the corresponding prices, and even the review that comes from the other customer who purchased this product. And now to start promoting this product in our TikTok account, we can simply copy some of this image and also some of this video right here. To download this, we can use all of this kind of media in order to promote this product and insert our affiliate link to start earning money by using this platform and also TikTok. So for instance, I'm just going to download some of this media files, which is this video right here, and also the 3 pictures that we can find of this kind of product. And after downloading those images or media files, just go to this TikTok account, and on the top right corner, just proceed by clicking this upload or plus upload button right here. And upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see in here, the only way to promote Temu on PC is to simply select a video to upload. So can click select video button right here. And after that, just select the video that we just download from Temu. And upon uploading, all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, from here, you could also start adding a description about this product. And it will show you on the right side panel what it looks like when it has been uploaded. And now for this description, we could also go back to this page and start copying the description that has been written in here. After successfully copying this description, just paste it in here. And after inserting the description, we could also insert our affiliate links in here, in which, for instance, I'm going to enter here, use my code to get a discount. And from here, we can simply paste our referral code that we can find in our Temu account or affiliate program. So I'm going to copy this code right here and paste it directly on this post or description right here. And aside from that, below here, if you scroll down, you could also add here a hashtag if you want to. For instance, hashtag Temu. And you could also mention some of the friends of yours in here. Now moving on below here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see here that you could also adjust or set to everyone, friends, and only you this post. And you could also schedule this post to post this, in which all you need to do is to simply fill out all the required information, including the date, the time in here. And on the right side panel, you'll be able to see here what it looks like when it has been uploaded. But alternatively, you could also use to enter the description your Temu affiliate links depending on your preferences. And now to proceed posting your content of video, which includes your code or affiliate code, just click this post button right here to proceed. And all you need to do is wait for it to be fully uploaded And once it has been uploaded, you will now see that we have now successfully created or promote our Temu affiliate links on TikTok. But that is just only a one way to promote Temu affiliate links on TikTok, since the other way is by simply uploading an image in which it cannot be done using PC. So at this point, we're going to use other kind of devices, which is mobile device. However, at this point, instead of video, I'm just going to upload some of the images that has been copied or downloaded on this platform, which include this picture or image right here, and other picture. And now to proceed, just open your mobile application of TikTok. And as you can see on this For You page, just click this button or plus button below to proceed. And upon clicking on it, just choose the image on the right side and kindly select the 3 images that has been downloaded from Temu platform. And now from here, as you can see, we have now attached 3 different kind of picture. And to start adding a context to promote, just click the text and kindly enter here the text that you want. And for instance, I'm going to enter here, use this code for discount. And as you can see below here, you could also choose different kind of font style right here to make this kind of font or text more creative to look at. And you can even change the color of it if you want to in here. But in those font style, I'm going to choose this one right here. And if you're now done, you'll not be able to see it in here. However, as you can see in here, the font color and the background of this image has the same color, since both of them are white. The contexts are not clearly visible. And because of that, we're just going to change the color of the context. And to do that, kind of proceed by clicking this context and click edit button right here. Then on the top panel, just click this kind of color palette and choose the color that you prefer in here. And even drag it down or up to change the location of this text. And on the right side panel, you could also navigate some other editing tools if you want to. And now to start copying this context to other image, we can simply copy this one. However, at this point, I'm just going to enter here the discount code that I found in my affiliate program account. Or alternatively, you could also enter here the link of your affiliate program. However, it is not advisable since the link contains more than 25 characters. And now after successfully entering here the code in the context, we can simply copy the whole thing and start pasting it to the other images in here, such as on this one, by clicking the text and simply pasting, and change the font style below here and also the color if you want to. And after that, just drag this context to change the location of it and do the same thing to the other images. And after that, we can now proceed by clicking the post button or next button below here to proceed to the next step. And upon clicking the next button, we'll now be able to be directed on this page. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply add a catchy title. For instance, I'm going to enter here Temu finds. And now for the description right here, you could also paste the description on Temu, or you could also enter here your Temu link in order for the customer to be aware that this product can be found on Temu. And you could also paste this, your affiliate link, for the customer to get the discount, and you could also start earning money from this. Then you can add a hashtag in here. And after that, just click this post button below here to proceed. Then you will be able to see here what your post looks like, in which it also contains an image that the viewer can simply swipe, and they will be able to see the discount code that we enter or insert. So overall, that is just basically how you can promote Temu affiliate links on TikTok. Thank you.